Now look here. Is there one doggy? Two doggies. You miss Grandma? Are you just going to sit there? That's it? That's it? This is actually a moving video. You have to move. For Grandma. You gonna move for say hi to Grandma? Twiggy? You gonna say hi to Grandma? Who wants to say hi to Grandma? Who wants to say hi to Grandma, huh? Who wants to say hi to Grandma? Who wants to say hi to Grandma? It's been a minute and nobody has even moved. That's it? That's all you have for her. It's embarrassing. River? 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 Grandma's here. This is for Grandma. You want to say hi to Grandma? Can you be bothered with this? It's beneath you now. Okay. Well, those are your grand doggies. They're just sitting there. They're really busy today. And they're not doing much of anything. But I think they're going to fall asleep. There goes Twiggy. She's going to just fall asleep sitting there. Okay, so this is like 2.5 minutes of nothing. There she goes. She's down. There you go. 2.5 minutes of nothing. Hope you enjoyed it.